Hi friends, so watching movie reviews with Raghuram. The Katha continues. Which Katha? Prem Katha. What Prem Katha? Gadar. Ek Prem Katha. Remember? 2 decades back, that movie had set the screens on fire. Sunny Deol. Powerful acting of Sunny Deol in Gadar Ek Prem Katha, and that Prem Katha continues. Or we don't know. Prem is not there, but the Katha continues. Is it a Prem Katha? Is it a love story? Is it a unique love story? Is it an action movie having Sunny Deol in the key role? We don't know what Anil Sharma has to offer, or what offering does Anil Sharma has on cards for us. Yes, director Anil Sharma is coming back with Gadar 2, Gadar Part 2. What is considered to be a sequel for Gadar 1, that is Gadar Ek Prem Katha. Do we have a very good unique love story on cards just like the prequel Gadar Ek Prem Katha, or do we have a more powerful movie on cards? Very anxious to know, very anxious and in keen wait, fingers crossed for the further updates of Gadar Part 2. Yes, who are playing the lead roles in the movie? We have the same powerful Sunny Deol, we have the same beautiful Amisha Patel in this movie after 2 decades acting together in the movie which has the same title with an extra 2 or Part 2. So if I'm not wrong, they had a small kid in that movie, Gadar Ek Prem Katha. That kid will grow up to become an adult in this particular movie. Utkarsh Sharma is playing the third role in this movie apart from the key protagonist. Utkarsh Sharma is also the protagonist of the movie, and he is the son of our director Anil Sharma. So again, a wild guess. Is it a Prem Katha or a Katha of Utkarsh Sharma, where Utkarsh Sharma will be playing the lead role and Sunny Deol and Amisha Patel will be adding to the strength of the story, or they will be supporting the story, or just as parents they're playing the key roles in the movie, or do their characters have different depths, different colors, different dimensions, different layers in the movie? We need to wait and see. If there is Sunny Deol, if there is Amisha Patel, their role will not be supporting role for sure. They will be playing the big leads in the movie. And who will be paired against Utkarsh Sharma? That is also interesting to wait and see. And what will be the rest of the cast ensemble? And will Gadar 2 create the same magic of Gadar Ek Prem Katha? Will it prove to be a blockbuster? Will Utkarsh Sharma, the grown-up Utkarsh Sharma, add one more feather to his father's cap, Anil Sharma's cap? Will Anil Sharma give us another blockbuster? Will Anil Sharma serve us another mesmerizing story? We need to just wait and see. So again, fingers crossed and in keen anticipation for further updates of the movie Gadar 2, the Katha continues. So the announcement of Gadar 2 has been made. The motion poster has also come into the picture, and in the motion poster we can see some fireworks behind, like fire flowing. It just looks like lava. So many streaks of fire just behind the title we can see. So it just looks like a coal ore or some ore on fire. So is any ore playing a very important role in this movie? Does the fire has an important role in the movie? What are those streaks of fire shown in the motion poster? Because it is a motion poster, it will have some value. Whatever is seen in the backdrop of the title will also have a value. What value does those streaks of fire bring to the movie and the storytelling? Is it an important ingredient, or it is just a depiction in the poster? We need to wait and see that also. As I said, again, it is a very interesting announcement, very good announcement. Fingers crossed, and really happy to see Sunny Deol in a powerful avatar on the big screen in Gadar 2 under the able direction of Anil Sharma. More than that, I'll be very curious to see how Utkarsh Sharma's character molds upon the screen. We'll wait for the further updates. Thanks for watching my video. If you loved my video, kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll catch up with you all in my next video with yet another movie review. Until then, do take care. Goodbye. Namaste.